Rahim. Today topic is integration of A2 and question we have October 16, variant 33 and question number 1. So we have two things here. One is by a substitution technique and second we have to do a little bit partial fraction. Maybe without we can do it, okay? And let's see how we can solve the question. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So first part is mentioned here, given here. I said before topic is integration. But we'll start from differentiation. How we can start from here? U is given by him root of x. Okay, so this differentiation both sides. When differentiate this side, we got du by dx. And half comes down and power becomes one less. And this goes down, I got 1 over 2 root of x. And this dx multiplies on the other side. It means I got dx. So, but I need to replace dx value. So this multiplies here. So you can say 2 root of x times 2 du equal to dx. But problem again, I have to get rid of root x. And root x value is what? U. So this u, this root x goes away and you got a 2u du equal to dx. So it means full dx value I got here. Right? Now one part is over. And okay. Let's try to fill the values. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Here, in the place of root x, I can copy u. So u minus 1. Okay, 2 as it is. Okay. Okay, let's talk about first this root x, this one. So root is equal to u. So I got a u. Now, what about this x? So naturally squaring both sides. When I squared both sides, so let's see what happens. I got a u square equal to x. It means this x can be replaced by u square. So we got u square. If you look at carefully, full x values transformed into u's. Now dx value is 2u du. I'm multiplying in the bracket here. 2u into du. So one part left only, which is limits. So how to do limits? We have extra working for limits also. You say, sir, because there's full question x. So limits also in x. So say when x is equal to 1, put this 1 here, root of 1 is u. Number 2, when x is second number 4, when x is 4, so when you put 4, root of 4 will become 2. So 1 and 2, so lower limit 1, upper limit 2. And what left behind, I think so, if I look at carefully, u minus 1 into 2u du. From here u common, I got u plus 1, so this fully cancelled. And Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, I got my answer matched. So proved, first part is done. So you match perfectly, right? Now after this, what is method? How we can start from here? So part number starting from here. This is called, when upper power of the variable and down power are equal to each other. This is called improper fraction. I repeat again, if upper power is bigger or equal, both ideas is called improper fraction. How to convert into proper fraction? So improper to proper. So how to convert it? So do long division. So this u minus 1 come inside, this u plus 1 goes outside, u into 1 got a u plus 1, sign changes, cancel, I got a minus 2. And how to write it? This 1 come left hand side, this 2 goes on the top, and this comes down, and here always plus sign. But due to this minus can outside, 1 minus 2 over u plus 1. So this whole thing transform in this. So let's start. It means my target was to solve this one. So I can say that I is equal to 1 to 2. In the place of this, I am keeping 1 minus 2 over u plus 1 du. And I'm close to answer now. Can I split? Why not? Split is allowed. So 1 du separate. And 2 by u plus 1 du separate. Okay. Here 1 to 2 and 1 du. Very clear. But what is this 2 goes outside. You ask why outside, what is the reason behind it? You know what is the reason? Function down, its differentiation up. So let's start. This has become a u integration, 1 to 2 limit. This is what answer? Function down, derivative up, logarithm of u plus 1. All of you know it. And limit is 1 to 2. I'm going to put the values. When I put upper limit minus the lower limit, which becomes 1, and here. When I put this 2 here, I got logarithm 2 plus 1 becomes 3. When I put 1, logarithm 2. Open the bracket, and I can say even one more thing here. Can I say, because minus sign, due to logarithm property, 3 up, 2 down. Because logarithm, after logarithm, if two values are subtracting like this, I can say log of a value by b value. This rule I applied here. So if you look at carefully, this 2 can go in the power, because we have a formula, a times to logarithm of b. This can go in the power, so logarithm of b to power a. You can do it, okay. So this ln 3 by 2 to power 2, and you see this become 9 and this become 4, and alhamdulillah I have done. Wait a minute, maybe some mistake may be there. No, correct. Actually, this I have to bring not 2, minus 2. When this minus 2 goes up, this will flip also. Flip means 4 up, 9 down. Reason is minus sign. You know, when power is minus, make it positive. Those are flips. I think clear. So alhamdulillah, fully done, and question is over.